Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today I'll be cooking a quick and easy weight loss soup. This soup is really nice and delicious and very easy to prepare. The preparation time is 30 minutes and you will start seeing result by the very next day. You will start going to the toilet because it cleans out your inside. So sit back, watch and enjoy, and I hope you'll try this recipe. Now we're done with the prepping, it's time to start the cooking. So in the pan we had about 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Then we had our oyster mushroom, stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add our celery, carrots, and stir fry and cover the steam for further 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we had our chow, steam for further 3 minutes. Then we had a vegetable stock, which is totally optional. Add quarter cup of water. Now we're gonna season to taste, and you can use any of your favorite covered spices. The full method of this recipe will be on our website at www.andscookingandmore.com. Now we add more water. Then we go straight in with our pak choy. Cover and steam for further 3 minutes. Add a bit of black pepper, which is optional as well. Some chopped onion, or rather chopped scallion. And then our soup is ready to serve. This soup was really delicious. Here I'm serving mine with some avocado, but you can serve it with whatever you wishes to have, or you can just have it on its own. This is a really good soup, and as I said before, you will start going to the toilet the very next day as it cleans your inside out. Here I'm adding the final touch to my soup, some yellow bell peppers and some nice baby tomatoes. This is totally optional. I just love to have tomatoes in my soup. I like the flavor when it bursts in my mouth. Until I come again, this is Anne's Cooking and More. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.